He's a one-man army.
Yeah, he does his things. And there's nothing wrong. Moi did like that. Ruto is doing like that. It's only Kibaki and Huru who had a structured campaign. Structured campaigns.
Ruto had
Ruto is managing his own thing. He has the energy, he has the passion, and he has the strength.
Ruto campaign was very
Raila
structured.
has always done his thing alone. But now, to his great disadvantage, he doesn't have the benefit of energy. You see, this guy works with Raila in some way. Ask him if he has ever witnessed a structure put in place to help Raila become president. I've never seen one myself. Even the one of Ruto, who, the chairman of the board, I don't think they ever even met. I have told the people, it is a testimony of the magnet that Raila is. That despite all these weaknesses we are talking about, the guy comes out with 7 million votes. You can imagine if Raila had a structured
That means he can
campaign.
win just like this.
I'm not very good myself. I, Manyora, if I was running Raila's campaign 2022, he will beat Ruto with 5 million votes. Because there will be no contest. And imagine a guy has no structures. He has nothing.
And
the
the
people
he's
lying on, like he says, are the people who have shown they are incapable of anything. And they have let him down in the past. But he's still with them. And he manages to give Ruto a scare. And actually gets to the 7 million mark. Forget about what people say, whether they were whether the election was stolen or what, Horse Camargo. Forget about. The guy has 7 million votes with all that disorganization. If I were given that campaign to run, I'm telling you, this guy would have gotten over 10 million votes as Ruto was getting about 4. So I tell people, please respect Baba. This guy is a magnet. He's a magnet.
It's like a student who scored an A. And mama anasema huyu angekuwa tu anasoma. Akipanga. Vitabu ziko huko, socks ziko huko, lakini
when Mtaingunyi came up with these things saying how they were doing, then I asked him, then I say myself, so Raila's strategy could not go beyond sponsoring
that thing. That is just funny.
Then I said, surely, please let's just
you know that
Baba itwa Baba. Kama Baba anaweza pata hii milioni zote na alikuwa na watu kama hawa.
With the people like those.
Sasa angekuwa na watu kama sisi. Ai, my friend.
Dr. Green, unasikiza hizi mambo nao.